Yes, people, what is going on? We are back. Oh, my face cam's not there. There we go, we're back. Fuck's on my screen. There we go. Right, let's get straight into it. Macro has just started, so let's see what we can pull here. So we actually had right, I'm gonna long this. So we're just in for longs. I saw the setup was there. It looks good, alright. So it looks good so far. So it's displaced and everything. Fair value gap, sell side swept. Oh, 0.8400. Yo, Max, what's going on, bro? Zero 0.8339 1.08339. Right, and then we're going to target this high right here. So that is 0.8539. 0.8539. I'm jellying my trade I took today. Nice, Max. How did the trade go today? How did it go? There's also a 5-minute fair value gap forming here. I'm hoping that DXY starts to drop here, because DXY is moving bullish, but we've got another high forming here. So I'm hoping that if this drops, then this will start to push. What I'm sort of hoping for here. So we've got this new 5-minute candle forming. So that means that we've also entered on a 5-minute fair value gap. So if I pull this down to here, pull that down there, this is a 5-minute fair value gap. So I'm hoping that this taps into there and it pushes up. It's in the Discord if you want to check it out later. Yeah, alright, cool, bro. I'll look literally after I've done streaming. Any news today? No, no news. We're all clear. What the hell? Bro, is my wire fucked? One sec. I quite like the kind of like aesthetic kind of mood. Do you know what I'm saying? And yeah, look at this. DXY is dropping now. So yes, guys, we are trading right now currently on instant funding. Oh, let me take pauses. So I'm currently trading right now on instant funding. It is a prop firm which offer really good services. So I'm testing those services by basically trading on their accounts right now. So you can see right here, I've got a 50k account with them now, and I'm basically just testing what their market conditions are like, what spreads they offer, and you know, if they actually do pay out. So we're basically attempting to pass their phase one. It's just one phase one account, and what it is I have to basically make I think it's, I actually can't remember if it's 10%. So I have to make $5,000. So if I do make that $5,000, then I'll pass the account, and I will then be trying to get a payout with them. And if they do pay out, then I can show you guys how they run, what their trading rules are, and I can add it to that list of prop firms that you guys can trust. But obviously we have to test it out. And so to basically show you guys, their trading rules are, so it's smart drawdown, sorry. So you have a smart drawdown rule, which is basically where if you hit, for example, the daily drawdown, which is 3%, so that would be $48,500. So that would be the daily drawdown, and that's not based on equity. That would be based on your balance. So it's not like a trailing drawdown. And then it also has the overall drawdown, which is 10%. So it's basically like FTMO. So you make 10%, or you lose 10% and fail the account, or you lose 0.5%, 3%, sorry, or you lose 3% on the day. Now, this isn't looking too good right now, but I've got faith in this trade. We're still tapping into this 5 minutes, so I'm going to give it some leeway. We were up like 3 pips, but you got to look at it from the bigger picture. This fair value gap on the 5 minute is just formed, and this would be tapping in. So obviously the higher time frames are stronger than the lower time frames, so we're basically going to look at our overall view on the higher time frame right now. So this next candle on the 5 minutes about to form, so I'm hoping we can get some movement on that. Did you change prop firm, or are you still using your old one? At the moment, I'm trading instant funding right now, but after I'm done with this one, I'll go back to the FTMO prop. But I haven't failed my FTMO or blown it. I'm just simply looking at other prop firms to see how they trade. Do you know what I mean? But the FTMO will always be there. It's basically back to drawdown. It's like 0.5%. No, it's 0.5% from being break even, so I've basically got it fresh still. So pretty much for the price of nothing, I've learned so much about my psychology and just, you know, my overall trading in general. G is also moving bearish. EU moving bearish. We've also got a unicorn set up here. So this would be minus sell side liquidity here. Liquidity swapped. Oh shit. Come on, don't disrespect the FVG. Sterling slips from Tuesday's high, awaiting inflation rate. Uh-oh, DXY has formed a swing low. This is not good. I need DXY to drop. So we've got 9, 52, 10. I mean, there's obviously a reaction here, but we just got to see what this next 5-minute candle decides to do. Because we've had a very big push of volume and a change of character. So let's just see. Because if this was continuing to move bearish, I think I would have been stopped out by now already. So I think it all comes down to just patience now. And I'm going to give this at least till 11 AM till I get out of this. 11 New York time, that is. So that's about an hour or 55 minutes. And that's if we don't get stopped out by then. Light my candle up. I really need a shit as well. Possibly not the best thing, being in a trade and needing a shit. There we go, candle lit. Please give me funds. And then we're targeting this high right here. Tully, what's going on, bro? What are you saying? Welcome back again, boy. I respect the commitment. We're currently in this trade right now. We've been in it for approximately 15 minutes now. That's been quick. But yeah, it's been about 15 minutes. We entered based on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm in this right now. We entered based on the 1 minute time frame, but it's also overlapped with the 5 minute time frame. So I'm quite confident this is going to go to the upside, because we've had our sell side liquidity sweep, you've had our displacement, and not only is it a 1 minute fair value gap, it's a 5 minute fair value gap. And so we're currently on the 5 minute time frame, because because obviously the higher time frames are stronger than the 1 minute time frame. So I'm hoping that this is the reaction we've had off the 5 minute fair value gap. So you can see right here in the red, this red box, I don't know if you can really see it clearly. I'll try and mark it out again on my thing. You can see it right there. That's the 5 minute fair value gap, and I'm hoping that this is a reaction we're seeing. We can see this rejection on that wick, and hopefully this goes to the upside, and our target is around 13 pips to this high. But obviously if it gets to 11 and we're still in this position, then I'm likely going to close, because past that I don't want to be in the trade any longer, because that's when price action can start to be random. And then if it's with 10.50 to 11.10, then I'd want to be out by 12 o'clock, if that makes sense. Actually, I can see that you're improving much on your psychology, which is really good. I appreciate that, Max, a lot, bro. Thank you. Thanks a lot, brother. Yeah, I think it's just more like accepting that it is what it is. And if you follow your plan, then, and you lose, then it just is what it is. Because if your strategy has edge, right, over time, if you just keep trading it at the right times, you're gonna win eventually, you know. So, and I got very close to blowing my account one time on the FTMO, and my head was literally like, right, next week I'm just gonna full port a random trade. But then I was thinking like, right, if I'm gonna blow this account, I might as well blow it trading, you know, taking the actual trades, taking correct trades. So I don't really know what this trade is doing right now, but if I get stopped out, then it is what it is. But I think it's more just like acceptance that, okay, if this loses, this loses. You know, what can you really do? I guess that also comes to outside situations where you just gotta accept things for what they are, not out of your control. But what you can control is what you put into it. Yeah, so we're doing basically what happened, what's been happening the last few times, the last 2 days, is where literally price is just edging break even, and then we start to see a push. So and the last 2 days would have been dubs if we had followed the fucking plan. Sorry, if we had actually got in 1 minute before, but it wasn't in the plan, so it didn't take it. But we finally got it. The entry was literally on the dot, so let's see how this goes. Now DXY is also fannying about, but I'm hoping that this is also a change of character, and if DXY starts to drop, then this could be really good news for us. So buy side has been swept on DXY. You can see both the first swing high got swept for a second time, and then it order. So this would be minor buy side, and then this is where our the sell side target would be, and that's where the displacement would be. So if price displaces, which it has on DXY, so that's now displaced. This would be our 5 minute fair value gap on DXY, and so that would be a valid short. So if our strategy does go to plan for DXY, then the euro trade should be good. but DXY is now pushing, which is basically bad news for this trade. Maybe I should stretch this to put below the low, because I don't want to get stopped out in 08312. 083. Fuck me, that is a lot of capital. But I'm gonna do it. 8 pip stop. I haven't lost a trade for like 3 weeks now. So if I lose, I'm not really gonna be that bothered. But I think what it is I need to do is I just need to give it time. But yeah, it is looking bearish right now, but market structure can change at any time. And I wouldn't even mind if it stopped me out because I'm bursting through shit. We got the candle in 3 course, so this is, where do we put this? Oh, there we go. Oh shit, what the hell just happened? There we go. You guys can sort of see my screen in the background. LMAO, belief. Yeah man. Belief, prayer, analysis, fair value gaps, trust the process. Let's just be patient. But this isn't looking too good so far. It was moving really nicely at the start. I thought that big push, that bullish push would have been quite nice, but this might turn out to be an inverse fair value gap and start to sell off. Gotta think of all the possible situations that could happen right now. Come on, form a low, don't do it, oh shit. My lot size right now is 8 lots, bruv. 8 big ones. Because I'm on a 50k right now. So my TP would have been a grand. Stop loss is like 700 right now. Oh hell no. Actually, I might put my stop loss below the swing low here. 08342, 08342. Yeah, I like that one. I like this stop. I think if it gets to this level, there's not really much chance that this will be a winner, I can't lie. So I think that's better than risking all the way down than this lower low. Just gotta be patient. What I'll do is I'll just leave the screen like this. What's a good position? This is a good, nice clear position. Put this here. So yeah, if this candle starts to drop, I think this is gonna be the L. Oh hell no. Oh dearie me. Dearie me. We're getting stopped out here, boys. Peak settings. Can we get some L's in the chat? Yeah, that's us gone. Nah, this one isn't FTMO, this is on instant funding. So there you can see minus 560. Wow, that commission was huge, what the fuck? Yeah, they got crazy commissions on this. But I'm okay with that. That perhaps wasn't the smartest trade, I can't lie. I don't know why, just long positions just do not work out for me. It's always the shorts. Yeah man, it is what it is. It's so fucking annoying because the last 2 days would have been winners. I mean, at least we got the overall. It was a good idea moving the stop loss further up. Well, to be fair, it was fucking hell. Look at that drop, Jesus Christ. I could sort of see it happening because DXY is moving bullish and Euro USD is moving in a bearish trend as well, and GBP USD was also moving clear bearish trend, but I thought we could have maybe hatched on to a change of character, but that just turned out to be a inverse fair value gap. But wow, this is melting crazy. But we all take L's, and that's calm. We'll make it back. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Every time I take a sell position, it more or less is always a winner. But longs are just shit. I just do not win long positions. Everything been moving mad today, yeah. I was just really hoping that DXY was gonna potentially drop here, but it's decided to have a breakout. So this would be where a lot of breakout traders would get in. So it's pretty much 50-50 on what was really gonna happen, really. So you can see here, I was hoping that this was gonna do something like that. DXY move down, but instead it's formed more or less like a double bottom and shifted back up. But yeah, even if I try to take a short there on, because though either way, yeah, these trades look good. I would take that short any day of the week, or on EU I would have taken that long and on it any other day. So I'm not exactly angry about that. hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Let me look in the Discord. Yo, Tully, you hit TP, bruv. Look at your trade on Discord. Just taking a picture of that now, send it into the Discord. Bro, someone made 6% in the group. 6.5%. Fucking hell. That trade was insane. Look at that, boys. That's a mad trade. Not a single opposite candle. Tally, I locked myself out, bro. I got 1.2k profit for the day. Don't want to take no more trades and lose it all. Nah, stop there, bro. That's class profit. 1.2k is insane. This trade here would have hit a K if that hit TP, but apparently not. But I'm gonna go again tomorrow. How much was even was that I lost? Was it 1%? Oh hell no. 560. Yeah, it was 560. I guess that isn't too bad. 560 isn't too bad. We'll try to be here tomorrow, bro. Oh, love Tully. Yeah, when you can, bro. I appreciate that. When you can. QNL. That would have been a cracking trade to have taken. At least I know it's 100% wrong. It didn't just like reverse on me or something. Euro USD longs have the edge. Well, they clearly don't, do they? Fucking longs. Longs have the edge, my ass. There's nothing long about this. I'm just trying to figure out what really went wrong. We had a valid change of character. Actually, to be fair, not on the 5 minute. We didn't. We didn't on the 5 minute. But that's not even a confluence. It's the sell side sweep, displacement, and then the retrace into the fair value gap. And anyone would take that on a 5 minute fair value gap. If you've got a combination of a 1 minute fair value gap and a 5 minute fair value gap, most people would be taking that now. Who wouldn't take that? But the inverse fair value gap traders have won today. They've won for today. But yeah, it's not even like it's on my 20k FTMO, which I paid for. High time frame bias is bearish. But yeah, now obviously it is, isn't it? But actually, to be fair, overall, the daily did sweep highs, so it was actually quite dumb of me to have taken this short, this long. Oh my god, I'm a fucking idiot. If I looked at the daily, this would have been completely different. Richie swept equal highs on the daily time frame. Taking a long was not the cleverest idea I had. But then again, I don't look at none of this shit. I don't. If I win a trade, I don't be like, oh, but this is what the daily was saying. A loss is a loss. And literally, I was only going for like 13. So I'm scalping in it. So like 10 to 15 pips is usually my TP, and then I'd risk like 6 to 8 pips max, preferably like 4 pips. But yeah, boys, I've literally got a video all ready to upload. So what I might do is stop the stream here and then begin to upload the video, because it's a big one. There's a reason I haven't uploaded for the last like 4 days, because I've just been waiting to collect this content. So I might lock off the stream now, because there isn't really anything else to really show, I guess. Unless, to be fair, we could try the 1050 macro and just size down to 4 lots. What do you guys think? Should we size down to 4 lots and try and win this next trade? The 1050 macros in 10 minutes, or should I just leave it for today and go again tomorrow? What should we do? Leave or risk a really low amount of money? What to do, what to do, what to do. I mean, we might as well look at the 1050 and see how it goes. See what we do come out with. So let's remove all of this. Jump on a 5-minute time frame. If you're confident in the price action, go for it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I'll stick around for this macro then, and let's see how it goes. God damn, I need a shit so bad. Fucking hell. I mean, we've got 8 minutes till the next macro. Do I risk it? Nah, I'll just chill. I'll chill to the next one. And then after I finish the stream, I could have a nice relaxing big dump on the toilet. Or if you guys want, I could live stream myself shitting. That'd be pretty cool. Fuck. I thought it was dead for a sec. This is such a dodgy lighter. I got it off like some side street in New York. Five minutes till the macro, boys. Not long left, not long. Appreciate you guys all watching and sticking around. I need price to sweep out this buy side level. So put need this isn't a swing high being formed. Oh dear. Come on. Just really depends now which level gets swept first. However, we can quite clearly see here that this, my friends, is an equal low. Look at that. We saw the exact same thing yesterday as well. Jump on EU and we look at, what day is it today? Oh yeah. So if we look at Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday the 5 minute. Can't remember which time it was. Can't remember if it was Tuesday or Monday, but there was another time where we saw the exact same thing happen. Yeah, it was right here, I think. Well, we just entered the next macro now. So 10:52. Alright, so we've just swept again on EU. No, GU even, sorry. So this is now our displacement level. Get rid of that. If this goes down displaces, we've got a fair value gap. Fair value gap to be able to enter on. Okay, so if this gap does not get filled, which it currently is, then we have an FVG there, but we need price to get displaced, so our displacement will now come to there, because that is now the next swing low. DXY is still pushing. And this fair value gap's more or less been filled, so I can get rid of that. getting bored. I'm getting bored. Can you eat fire? Or would you burn your mouth? Probably a dumb question, but okay, we're getting close to displacing. Will it displace? I think we've got a pretty strong setup coming along here. What do you guys think? Yeah man, fire's edible. Oh, for real. If we win this trade, I might have to eat it. No, but it just does seem like it would be quite nice. And that is price now displaced. So if this fair value gap still forms, then we can get in on a retracement. Can't lie, I'm gonna stick with 8 lots for this one. Okay. What's this? GBUSD. Right, if this next candle forms nicely, and then we get a retracement into this fair value gap, we've got ourselves a setup, or an entry even. Come on, fill my imbalance. Fill me up, please. Price, I want you to fill me up. No, come back. DXY is still breaking out. Just gotta stay patient. There is another fair value gap right here, but this one is stronger above it, so I'm not in shorts yet, not yet, bro. I'll go wait to get tagged in to one of these fair value gaps. What I'll do is, instead of getting tagged in for this one, is I'll get tagged in as soon as it touches this, but it just appears to be selling off without me, bruv. This is looking peak. I'm getting FOMO. Oh, here we go. Go on, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep going. Come on. Yeah, all good, bro. Have a good rest of your day, Tully, mate. Love for joining the live. Appreciate it, bro. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes if I do end up entering this. Oh, it just hasn't tagged me in yet, bro. Oh, it's literally edging it. Oh, there we go, there we go. We're in. Okay. So we are looking for now. Where's the entry? The entry is 1.27152. 2727152. Put a 150. Stop above this high. 27204. Is that right? Okay. Well, we shouldn't be hitting, even with fucking commission, we should not be hitting daily drawdown. So I'm hoping this can be a really nice sell-off now. Come on, price, be nice to me. What's that? 27115. 37. No, that's too low. I'll go for 8 pips. I'll see if it breaks the sell side level. If it fails to, then let's look on the 5 minute. Have we got any levels we can go off for TP? 26964. Let's put this here and this there. Wow, that was a fat rejection. Fucking hell. Oh, hell no. I think he's swept the sell side level, boys. 26954. Pip position. Oh, hell no. tapped into that original fair value gap. Track that there. Have faith in the analysis. One buy, one sell. Surely one of these works out. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, wait, let me put this to, I'll go for that to 27067. 2706. We've got a whole hour. Wow, that was a big push. Let me see you dump, 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 dump. I want to see you dump, 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 dump. Once we hit, is it like 6 pips, I'll put TP into profit. I mean, stop loss into profit. Oh, there you go. We get rid of these lines. We need DXY to break these highs. We've got a few swing highs right here. currently at this level. Oh, getting a low form there, not a good sign. And we've got another fair value gap formed here on the 1 min, so we could be tapping into that, and then it decides to go down, which is exactly what has just happened. Fucking hell. We're failing to beat this level. Doesn't want to go. Come on. We've got 3 minutes to another 15-minute candle, so I at least want to see what this 15-minute wants to do, and then we can take it from there. But I shouldn't really be trying to rush this right now, you know, give it till at least 12 o'clock. Give it a chance to move. Just give it the chance. And if nothing happens at 12 o'clock, then I'll leave it. Two minutes till this next 15 minutes. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn off my face cam, go for a shit, and then come back and see what it's saying. I think that's the strat, so whatever happens, happens. No risk, no Rari. No risk, no story. And God save the king. Oh, fuck's sakes. Should have got out when it came back to that level again. God damn. God damn. Lord have mercy. Yeah, this is changing character. Oh. I mean, we'll still give it time. See what it does. We haven't changed character yet. So...
Battery 90%. Connected to Ashmeal Energy 2.
Hope you smash your head on a radiator, you cunt. You afro fucking cunt. I see how it is. Webcam with someone. Someone's webcam in this thing, yeah, and controlling that vibrator or something in the middle of a restaurant. She's about to. Where's this thing? Where's this thing? Where's this thing? Is like on a webcam with someone. Someone's webcam in this thing, yeah, and controlling that vibrator or something in the middle. this thing is like on a webcam.
Yes, boys. So we've just closed up 400. After originally losing 560. Now, it's actually 336 because of commission. So, bloody hell. That's nearly like $80 I've lost out on there because of commissions. So yeah, we're gonna see how. Let's see how the rest of this trade goes. I mean, I'm just gonna log off my computer now. We can clearly see here this level got tested numerous times, and I'm not trying to get caught on another pullback. So yeah, I've just taken what I got given, and if this was to have gone, you know, if this had gone over the stops, I would have been pissed, but this has gone down, and we've closed out here. So, you know, we've made back a majority of the loss, so we've only lost around, what's that, 776, so that's like, let's just call it 320. But these commissions are crazy high, that's the only thing. So we lost less than 1%, so obviously that's better than what we originally had lost. So we'll go again tomorrow, but yeah, not too, you know, pissed off about that. I think we made that back quite well. So yeah, let's see how tomorrow goes, and yeah, love you lot, love. Blood, what is going on? Oh, that's pretty sick. I can resume and start streams. That's pretty cool. What the? I didn't know I could do that. But I do not want to resume the stream. So bro, how do I just stop the stream? I don't want to delete it. I'm so confused right now. Bam, 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 bam. Get out of the way, I want the fucking... Oh, you fucking cunt.